OSHA requires that employees provide a fallen worker a prompt and safe rescue or the ability to rescue themselves. Fixed ladder fall protection systems fall under this requirement, obviously. So what type of rescue systems are available for these fixed ladders?
Certainly. So one of the nice things about those ladder systems is if a worker just slips and falls, they're going to be arrested off of their chest D-ring. So you're still going to be right in front of that ladder, which makes it very easy to self-rescue. Some of the concerns that come with this is what happens if what caused the fall was an injury or the worker is unconscious. Then we need to be able to get them down. And in the event of some of the utility and tower climbers, that can be some pretty significant distances. So DBI makes a couple of controlled descent devices. The one that gets used frequently is the R550. You can order it with 100, 200, 300, all the way up to around 1,600 feet of rope. And what you would do is a climber would go up or come down from the top, whatever makes sense, connect that device overhead. There's a advantage in the steering wheel, so we could lift that worker up, get them off of their fall arrest system, and then use the controlled descent to get them all the way to the ground or get them back up, whichever direction you choose to utilize. That's one of the options. Another one that's becoming really popular for those facilities that are going to invest in the ladder anchor that has the SRL up above it, DBI makes some SRLs with built-in rescue. So instead of just arresting the fall force, they can automatically go into a rescue. So they'll arrest the fall force and then immediately rescue that worker to the ground. And so that's a nice option for people who are looking at adding the whole system from they need the anchor point, they need the SRL, and they need to have a rescue plan that checks all those boxes.
Perfect. Yeah, and those are kind of difficult to explain just talking through them. So I know you have some videos. We've got some videos on our YouTube channel as well. If you want to see the R550 or any of those self-rescue SRLs in action, go ahead and take a look at those.